Drsn Mini Projector Wall Mount Review, Pros and Cons. Pros. A good projector mounting tool for small projectors, cameras, CCTV cameras, and other devices. For many users, it was easy to mount. Easy to understand instructions. Shipping of this product from Amazon is very fast. Affordable price. Many users are happy with this Drsn Mini Projector Wall Mount. Cons. It is not very stable, so you may need to readjust time to time. The product is not good for a heavy device. The provided screws are crap as mentioned by some users. That's it, please like and subscribe.